Good morning. Hang on one second. This is Jeff from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 18th of June. My disclaimer, I did this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, we've not really done a great deal in the last day, but what we have done is we've gone further below the daily middle band. I've got that at 105.802, and we are testing the important support I was writing about yesterday at the 50 DMA. It's just slightly above at the moment. This is pretty good support, and it's held 1, 2, 3 times in recent weeks. So watching that with great interest. But the bear scenario that I was talking about yesterday is more likely to play out if we lose that level. On the hourly chart, if we do lose that level, I'm wondering about a move down to take us down into this possible flag support, and obviously the big number at 100k. Which I would expect to provide at least some support. I'm concerned it might go lower. I don't think there's much of a case for a strong bear case here, really, and I don't think there is really on equities either. But I am obviously watching it with great interest. Star of the show this week, of course, is Solana. Solana is still holding below the daily middle band, and at the moment we've seen another test and another rejection, and we've been coming down from that. We are pretty close to the head and shoulders. Now, if this head and shoulders breaks down slightly, of course, it doesn't need to resolve down. It could still just reject from there, but watching this with great interest, and this really is a very nice head and shoulder pattern, and that gives it more credibility. Better looking patterns are more likely to play out and deliver. All right, Ethereum. We've been seeing, obviously, we're below the daily middle band, we're below the 200 DMA, we're above the 50 DMA, which isn't as solid as support, really, but it was decent support there. We haven't broken below it, really, since we broke above the daily middle band up here. We've broken below the daily middle band, but we haven't broken below the 50 DMA. Watching that with great interest. I've got that in about the 24.39 area. If we see a break below, it makes it more likely to see some damage to the downside. Here, we've got a potential topping pattern here. I'm not sure how seriously I'm taking it. This is a potential level top. I've drawn in the target area here, but really what I'd be looking for is an alternate inverted head and shoulder, right shoulder. If we get down here, and really I'd be looking for, as I was saying, down in about the 2000 to 2200 area. So I wouldn't be looking for a full move down here, but we could see one down here, and the full target would be in about the 1900 to 2000 area. We will see. All right, great. In that case, that's a wrap. Yeah, you have a good day off too, mate. I'll probably be working as usual, of course, but a good day to do some admin and stuff as well. All right, mate. Anyway, see you Friday morning. All right, take care.